I got a new hairdryer to unbox it with me. I needed a new hairdryer so bad. The first thing that's inside is this little thing. So what you basically do, you put it on the hairdryer and then it goes like this and then it like curls it. Next is the original hairdryer thing. The last thing and most important thing, the hairdryer. The color. So it's white with gold and then a beige base. It is so pretty. I'm definitely going to use it tonight with my new products. Like for example, the Bioma toner and the Bioma moisturizing gel cream. And a bath bomb and all that. I'll be doing a get ready with me tonight. Bye!